What's up, guys? My name is Rob G and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here on the channel, I want to thank you guys for visiting. On this channel, you'll find some helpful tips and tutorials to help you get started here on the platform. If that's something that you're interested in, please support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Click the notification bell because it would help me out a lot and I do appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how to hide your subscriber count. I've been getting a few requests from this and a couple people want to know how to hide their subscriber count here on YouTube for whatever reason they may want to do it. One of the reasons I'm thinking that they might want to do it is because either they don't want people to see how many subscribers they have for whatever reason, or maybe they're trying to get some kind of brand deals or some kind of deals on YouTube and they don't want people to see the subscriber count. They may be trying to reach out to companies to get some kind of deals on some tech reviews or whatever the case may be, and maybe this is their way of trying to help them out by people not seeing a subscriber count. They may not be established yet, but for whatever reason, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how you can accomplish this. So let's jump into the video. First thing we're going to do here is we're going to open up the browser and you're going to go to your YouTube channel. And once you get to your YouTube channel, on the top screen here, you're going to click on your name. You're going to go down to YouTube Studio and you're going to come all the way down here to where you see the settings on the left hand side of your screen. You're going to click on that. You're going to scroll up to the top here where it says channel and you're going to click on that. And then you're going to have three options here on the top: basic info, advanced settings, and feature eligibility. You're going to click on the advanced setting and you're going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you're going to see here where it says subscriber count. This is the one you want to check or uncheck the box. I'm going to uncheck the box right now because I had it checked, and I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click save. Once you go to your channel, you'll see there's no subscriber count now. So nobody will be able to see the subscriber count to your channel. Only you if you go into your settings or your dashboard of your YouTube channel. Now, for whatever reason somebody wants to do this, I'm not really sure. There's a lot of reasons why people may want to do it. Some people may even want to do this because they don't really care about the subscriber count. So whether they hide it or not, it doesn't really matter, because I've seen a lot of videos here on YouTube where these people on YouTube had thousands of views on their videos. So if they're having thousands of views on their videos, then they must have a lot of subscribers or pretty established subscriber base. So for whatever reason, they just decide to hide their subscriber count. So this is my tutorial and I hope you guys find some value in this video. If you found some value in this video, please support the channel by subscribing to the channel. I hope you liked the video and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.